What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Abs, a Zabs project, giving you a quick update on this Mercedes 190e. Unfortunately we have an issue with the car right now, and as you can see, as you can see from there, the exhaust is in two pieces. So the back box is hanging on with one little tap to the exhaust pipe. And if I move it, and I'll show you how bad it is. So as you can see, it's a major hole, and to be honest with you, I think it's even broken off. To be honest with you, I think it's only hanging on by the mounting. If I move it, look at that. So the only bit there, as you can see, is that little bit there is hanging onto the exhaust pipe from the back box. I mean, it's a good thing and it's a bad thing. Let's hear it start and let's show you what it sounds like. And this is how it sounds when it's started. You put it up this side, and this